What's up, everybody? How you feeling? It's Pastor Dre, and today I'm going to show you how I built this online store using a program called Launchcart. And I want to show you. I'm going to walk you through. I'm going to show you some of the tips and techniques that I use. Now, as you see here, we got the little slider going on, so you could just do the slider right there. Pretty cool, huh? Little slider going on. Scroll down, you got the featured categories. I'm going to show you how I did that. And then if you scroll down some more, we got the featured products. I'm going to show you how I did that. And this is all done using the program called Launchcart. And I want to show you, I'm going to walk you through, I'm going to show you some of the tips and techniques that I use. Now, as you see here, we got the little slider going on. So you could just do the slider right there. Pretty cool, huh? Little slider going on. Scroll down, you got the featured categories. I'm going to show you how I did that. And then if you scroll down some more, we got the featured products. I'm going to show you how I did that. And this is all done using the program called Launchcart. So let's go ahead and go into my back end. We're going to go to the dashboard. Okay, so here's my Launchcart dashboard right here. This is it. And I chose the theme. So what I'm going to do, the first thing I do is I go to appearance, right? Right here. And I choose, what do I want? What kind of theme do I want? So let's go to theme editor. Okay, so you're going to go to appearance, theme editor. And then here we go. Here's all the different themes that you can choose. I chose the glider theme. Okay, and then I just click customize right here. So you got my logo. So I'll be switching back and forth. If you have any questions, you could type them in the comment section. So this is my logo that I use here. You got your favicon and you got your logo. So this is my logo, which shows right here. This is where that shows right here. Okay. And then if you go over here, you got your favicon, and that shows right here when they load up your web page or your store. That's your favicon right there. All right, so let's go ahead and go back to the back end, the dashboard. So that's your logo, and that's your favicon. So here I could decide if I want to put a contact us link, the phone number to my store. So if I go back to the store over here, I scroll down, you should see my contact us right here. So you could decide if you want all that in your store. Now let's go ahead and go back over here. We're going to go to homepage. So I clicked homepage over here, and I want to enable homepage, and I want to show slider. So the slider is what I showed you. Okay, here's the slider right here. Let me just show it to you real quick. You got the slider right there. That's your slider. Okay, and then you just put whatever images you want in that slider. That's how simple it is. And this is it's powerful. Okay. So let's go ahead and go back over here. So here's my images. You can see the images that you saw right there on my store. Here's the first image, and they're all in order. Second image. And the way you add an image, you just go here, you say add slider image. You click upload. Now it does give you the dimensions. Let me show you this really quick. The recommended size is 1920 by 868. That's going to give you the perfect fit. Okay, so then you just go to upload, once you have your image. So this is, say I have an image here. This is my image. I just double click and it uploads the image. There's the image right there. Now you could resize it. You can make it smaller, bigger. But here is your outline. See what the blue lines here? That's where your image is going to fit in. So you could make it, slide it up or down. So whatever you want to show up on the image. Okay, but that's where it cuts off right there. Okay, so say you want that to show up right there. You want the top of this picture here, top of his head, and then down, well, you want your design to show. So let's scroll down a little bit like that. Okay, and once, like I said, you can make it smaller to fit in there more, like that, however you want to do it, but I like using the full width. So I'm just going to go ahead and make sure it's full width. Okay. All right. So then I'm just gonna go. Let me see. I want to make sure the shirt shows. So you just do it like that, and then you hit crop and upload. Okay. And what's going to happen is going to save the changes you made to the image. It's going to upload it to your store. So that's how it's going to look. And you can add a button. You can add slider text. I'm just leaving mine blank, so I'm going to take out the button. But if you wanted to, you could add a button. Then I just click update. Right? So I already have this image, but I'm just doing this as an example for you. So what I do is I scroll down here and I click save. Now, when I go back over here to the store, okay, and I refresh it, I'm going to show you the image that I just uploaded. So we're going to scroll to the end. Here's all of our images. Boom. That's the one I had previously uploaded. I'm going to go ahead and keep scrolling. And then you'll probably see that image there. There it is. Tell me that's not powerful. That looks really nice. So that's how you do the top part. So I'm going to show you how you get your featured categories. All right, so the next section that we want to add is the featured category section. And the cool thing about this section is when you click hoodies, it takes you to the hoodies section. Okay, that's really cool. All right, so let's go back here and we're going to go back to the back end of our store. We're going to go to the dashboard and let me just go to the dashboard. Okay, so now we're going to go to appearance and you got to go to your theme editor. Okay, and you want to go to customize and you click home page and then you want to scroll down to where it says show top categories. And there you go. You got hoodies, t-shirts, hats. So when you go to our store over here, you should have hoodies, t-shirts, and hats. How do you add it? Well, the way you add it is you just go over here, you select add top category. Okay, and then you need to upload an image. I'm just going to use any image for now for the sake of the tutorial. I'm going to use a snapback hat. Okay, I was born to shine. Okay, put it in there, crop it and upload it. And then we're just going to use the beanies category for now. Of course, you would use a different category, but I'm just acting like, I'm creating a category for you. All right, so then we're going to have, say this is a picture of a beanie, then we got the beanies category, and then we click update. All right, so there it is. Now you want to save it. Okay, and then we're going to go to our store and we're going to refresh it. And that should add another featured category right here. There it is. So, of course, this probably be a picture of a beanie, but there you go. I like it more plush when it's just 3 straight across. I don't like the extra one being added at the bottom. I mean, you could maybe add 2 more. It might look pretty cool, but I like the 3. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this. So let's go ahead and delete that. The way you delete it, you just scroll back down and hit the delete button, and then you want to save. All right. Now we're going to go back to our store. Okay, and I'm going to hit refresh. And there it is. And that's as simple as that of adding a feature category. That's it. And we have no coding, and this is all done through LaunchCard. Look at that. Tell me that's not rocking, family. Look at that. Real professional store. It's awesome. All right, so how do you add the featured product section right here? How do you add that? Okay, let's go ahead and go back to, make sure you're on the where it says home page. You want to scroll down and see where it says show featured products. You're right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a product. Okay, I'm going to add a product. Now you need to make sure you have the product in your store first. And if you don't know how to add a product in your store, let me see if I could help you really quick. Let me just do that for you real quick. The way you add a product in your stores, you go to products. Okay. And let me delete this product and I'm going to re-add it. Okay. So I'm going to delete that product. All right. So the way you add the product, you go to add product, create new, and we're going to create a hat. And we're going to call the name of the hat is I was born to shine. Okay. And I'll give it this code here. I was born to shine. Okay. Boom. Boom. All right. And then I'm just going to give it that product description like that. Boom. I was born to shine. And let's see, we're going to give a price of $19.99. And we're going to compare it to $24.95. Okay. And then we're going to upload the media. So let's go ahead here, upload the hat. I was born to shine. I think that's the hat. Let me see. There we go. I was born to shine. And scroll down, and then you could do custom SEO. I'm not going to do that. And then you just click save. Okay. Now, you want to go over here to your pencil and make sure it's active. You don't want it in draft mode. You want to make sure it's active. And you just scroll down and click save. All right, so now you've added a product. Okay, now to put that right here in our store, what we're going to do is we're going to add it to the featured products section. And the way we do that, we're going to go back over here and we're going to go to appearance, theme editor. We're going to go to customize and we're going to go to home page and we're going to scroll down. And you right here, you want to just go right here where it says show featured products. You want to click in here. And our product was, I think it was I Was Born to Shine. So I'm going to type that in. There's the hat right there. I Was Born to Shine. It's still loading, but I'm just going to go ahead and click that. Okay. And then click save. And that's how you add to the featured product. So let's go ahead and go back to the store. Let's see. Hopefully it's done loading by now. Let's go ahead and click refresh. Let me see. Let me refresh it here. Okay. Yes. Let me see. There it is. I Was Born to Shine right there. There it is. And then you click it. And there's your product. And the cool thing about it, see how it gives us the $24.95 and then it slashes this to $19.99. That was done when we chose the prices. And that's as simple as that. That's how you add it. Isn't that cool? Come on now. So now you got your slider, you got your featured categories, you got your featured products, right? And they could just scroll your products. And I just showed you how to add a new one, right? Now, here's the cool thing. I want to show you one more thing. Say I want to buy this product right here, right? I want to buy the Gospel Swag hooded long sleeve. Okay, I just click on that product and then I click add to cart. Now watch this. Okay, let me take out, let me take out this product here. Now say I wanted this product here, right? Let me just show you something that's powerful in the checkout cart. So I'm going to proceed to checkout. Now look at this checkout page. Isn't that cool? It's a custom checkout page. You could put whatever you want. To my knowledge, LaunchCart is the only, I guess it's called CRM, you call it, is the only one that provides a custom checkout page. It's custom. You could put your image, you could put your phone number, you could put whatever you want, videos. This is a custom checkout page. So I added our logo, I added a contact number, I added an item you ordered is in high demand. No worries, it's reserved for you. And you scroll down, you get the customer information. They can pay via credit card or PayPal. I added these secure images here. It's cool. And you can add more images over here. You could add a thank you video. Custom checkout page. I don't know of any other CRM that does that. I think it's called CRM, but I don't know any other store that does that to my knowledge. So if you want to give LaunchCart a try, I'll put a link in the video. You can use it for your church, your business, your ministry. Maybe you sell real estate. You can start selling your own real estate gear. Imagine having your own real estate store and you got shirts with your real estate name on it and you had no coding. This is drag and drop. You can create your own store where people could buy your own real estate t-shirts and hats and shoes. And or maybe you're a barber and you want to start selling shirts for your barber shop. And the cool thing about it is LaunchCart connects with what you call print on demand, like Printify, Printful. So with Printful, you could create products and you don't need overhead. You don't need a staff. You just create the shirt and Printful will sell it as they request it from your LaunchCart store. See, so you set up LaunchCart, you connect it with Printful, and Printful does all the printing for you, all the shipping for you, but they order from your store. My goodness. If you have any questions, go ahead and type them in the comment section. I would love to help you out. Like I said, you could use this for your store, your business, your ministry, your church. Come on, somebody. Come on now. Look at that. So if you have any questions, please type them in the comment section. I would love to help you out. Or if you want to get started with LaunchCart today, all you got to do is click the link in the description. And the cool thing about it is that I'm an affiliate. So if you sign up using my link, they'll give me a little bit of love at no extra cost to you. It's your boy, Pastor Dre. God bless you.